Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So you can tell by the title of this video that I'm doing an unboxing on the Dior Travel Kit. I have been wanting this item, well these items, for a while now, and I didn't want to buy them separately just because if you buy them separately, it's way more money. You get 5 items for $1,200 versus if you buy them all individually, like the passport holder is like $550. The pouch was like $820. I'm not sure about how much the luggage tag would cost by itself. The card holder was like $350. So if you just order 3 of the items was separately, it's way more money than anything else. Right now I'm struggling to get into this box. It was very hard to unwrap that ribbon. But yeah, but just overall, I love the items. I'm already utilizing 2 of the items already right when I got them. So it was just like, oh my gosh, I love them. I'm not traveling or anything like that. It's just using them for like my daily use if I have to go make and a run to like the grocery store or something like that. You know, we're still social distancing. We're staying away as much as possible. But yeah, just still like trying to find some positives with this unknown situation that's going out there. Hopefully, everybody's staying safe and just taking it one day at a time. But yeah, I just kind of wanted to come on and show you guys the 5 items that I got. Yeah, so if you guys can please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.